Now, there is information that this court is going to receive. There's actually a witness that this court, that would come and tell this court certain information. However, because of security reasons, we would request that his identity should not be disclosed now.
Yasuthi kunomfakazi ke othizeni ke ozofika lenkantolo atshele inkantolo malana nofakazi bakhe obulandelayo ke kepha ngembangela izokhuza ngoba ngesizathu sokuthi akhuseleke ke uyacitha igama lalomfakazi bangalikhulumi manje.
But very surely, when time is ripe and when time comes for that witness to be caught, I don't know whether it's a he or she. You know, sometimes these days there are people that they are our brothers and sisters that are referred to as they. You see. So I'm not so sure whether this is a he or she or a they, but whoever that they are, when time comes, that person will come and tell the court the following.
Uyasho khona nje ukuthi akanaso isiqiniseko ukuthi ngabe umuntu wesimame noma umuntu wesilisa ke lona ke kepha ke yasho ukuthi uma sekufika isikhathi esilungile noma isikhathi esikahle lo muntu ozofika atshele inkantolo lokho kulandelayo.
Number 1, that Simphiwe, that this person knows Simphiwe Buthelezi.
Okokuqala ukuthi lo muntu lona ke yasho ukuthi uyamazi uSimphiwe Buthelezi.
Number 2, that this person knows that Simphiwe Buthelezi had been serving a sentence in a jail at KZN.
Futhi umuntu uyosho ukuthi uSimphiwe Buthelezi kade ke angaphansi kwesigwebo kwintilongo yase KZN namajele ngaphansi kwejele lase KZN.
Number 3, that when he was serving, he got afflicted mentally, and then they had to place him on a mental parola. In other words, they had to take him because of his mental challenges to go and serve his sentence at home. That is number 3.
Futhi kwesithathu ngesikhathi lesi kade ngaphansi kwesigwebo sakhe ngaphansi kwejele lase KZN kula wathola khona ukugula malana nezomcabango malana nokomcabango futhi emuva kwalokho ke kwamphoqa ukuthi ahambe aqede isigwebo sakhe ngaphansi lapho ekhaya.
Number 4, while so serving his sentence at home as a result of that fact that he was released on a mental condition, a team of investigators then arrived where Simphiwe Buthelezi was staying, including yourself.
Futhi ke iphuzu lesi4 ukuthi khona ke njalo ngesikhathi lesi kade aqedela isigwebo sakhe elapho ke ekhaya ke ngoba ngembangela ukuthi wathola ke uphazamiseka malana nezomcabango wakhe noma ungaphili kahlehle wena ke futhi neqembu lakho ke nafika lapho ke kukhaya lakhe noma kubo.
And indeed, you wanted to have a conversation with him. However, due to the fact that you could observe, when I say you, I mean the collective, the police, they could observe that his understanding of issues mentally was challenged. You then requested, when I say you again, I mean as a collective, you then requested this person that I am referring to as either a they, he or she, to accompany him with you to Pretoria, where you were to come and take his statement.
Ngemuva ukuthi uboneke ukuthi umlisa lona akaphilile kahlehle wena ke neqembu lakho ke ngizosho nje ngithi wena ke futhi iqembu lakho ohamba nalo ke nacela lo muntu lo akade ukukhuluma ngakuthi akayazi ukuthi umuntu wesilisa noma umuntu wesimame noma umuntu mhlawumbe wayishintsha ke ubulili bakhe ke othizeni aphelekeze kuSimphiwe lona ke qhamba lapho ekhaya nize nifince la ePitori.
Now number 6, you personally, no, let me not say personally, because I don't know where the money came from. whether it came from the slush fund, whether it came from your own pocket or whatever, I don't know. But then the team that was led by you then decided to buy a cell phone for this Simphiwe Buthelezi. For whatever reason, this person will not know.
Wena ke futhi afuthi ashuthi wena ke mathupha kepha wona iqembu lakho ke noma nathi akazi imali mhlawumbe nayithola kuphi ke mhlawumbe ngaphansi kwefana noma imali enayikhipha emakhuphini enu ke nathatha isinqumo sokuthi nithenge ke umakhala ekhukhwini nithengele koSimphiwe.
And number 7.
6.
Is it 6, my lord?
Yeah,
Thank you,
counting.
my lord. Now number 6. Excuse me?
It's 7.
I think it's 7.
Okay.
Yes. Now number 7. This person knew Simphiwe very well.
Kuphuzu lesikhombisa ke lo muntu ke kade amazi uSimphiwe nje kakhulu.
Just there are 7 points which I have mentioned, and the reason why I decided to mention them as a collective is because I did not want any of them to elude my mind in their sequence.
And incidentally, I remember I asked what caused, if you knew, what caused the death of Simphiwe Buthelezi.
Yes. I
Because
do.
you said he died.
Yes, my lord.
And then I'm sure I asked,
You did ask, my lord.
and what was the answer then?
Kade buza ke futhi kusenkantolo ukuthi naye ecabanga ukuthi yabuza ukuthi ngabe yini imbangela yakhokhela ekuthizeni Simphiwe ke ashoneke ngabe kade ithini impendulo yalokho ke umfakazi uyacabanga.
My lord, I want, perhaps let me stick to what the death certificate says, natural causes.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Athi malana nohlelo lo death certificate la basho khona ukuthi umuntu ubulewe yini ke yabhala ukuthi ubulewe ke isifo esijwayelekile.
My lord,
Washona nje ejwayelekile.
yes. So the statement, my lord, was taken at NATCOMS, meaning the National Commissioner's Office in Pretoria. The date was 2020-07-04, and the time when it was taken is 2018. In other words, 2000 hours, 18 minutes. That's when it was taken. And it was commissioned by me.
So you believe that Senzo, you still believe that Senzo was shot by one of the 5 people that were in that house on that day?
I'm 100% sure. Kininda knows that, but he's lying. Mbalo knows that and is lying too.
Who do you think it is that shot him?
I won't say that because we've got witnesses who are still going to come to court and testify. But I'm 100% sure. Even the pastor Ngomez will reveal a lot of. But because they knew Ngomez was going to expose the state, they decided to kill him.